Hi, today we are going to discuss about application of simultaneous equation. For that, consider the question. Two women and five men can together finish an work in 4 days, while three women and six men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. This is our question. For this type of questions, what we can do? We have to develop a equation from the given question. Consider the question once again. Two women and five men can finish a work in 4 days, while three women and six men can finish it in 3 days. Like this, then how many days required for one woman can do this work alone and one man can do this work alone? Let's first assume work done by one woman in 1 day. That's we wants to find. Let's take it as 1 by x. 1 by x. Similarly, work done by one man in 1 day is taken as 1 by y. First, our substitution. Work done by one woman in 1 day, 1 by x. Work done by one man in 1 day, 1 by y. Then how we can rewrite our given equation? Two women can done work in 1 day and five men can work in 1 day is 1 by 4. Similarly, the second equation we can write three women and six men can done work in 1 day is 1 by 3. Now we get two equations. If we get two equations in this form, we know how we can change into linear form and how we can solve. Just move to that part. For how we can solve this? For this we can done by some substitutions. Substitute 1 by x is equal to m and 1 by y is equal to n. Then how we can rewrite these two equations? 2m plus 5n is equal to 1 by 4, 3m plus 6n is equal to 1 by 3. Now C is in a fractional form, so we can reduce it as cross multiply 8m plus 20n is equal to 1. Similarly, 9m plus 18n equal to 1. Now we get two equations, and these two equations are in a linear form. We can label it as equation 3 and 4. Now we get two equations, 8m plus 20n is equal to 1 and 9m plus 18n is equal to 1. This is in linear form, and we can solve these two linear equations in any of the method: determinant method, substitution method, or elimination method. If we follow the determinant method, then d equal to 8, 20, 9 and 18. 8 into 18, 144 minus 180 equal to minus 36. Now dm equal to 1, 20, 18, that is equal to 18 minus 20 minus 2. Then dn equal to 8, 9, 1, 1. This 8 minus 9 is equal to minus 1. dm dn, therefore m equal to dm by d, minus 2 by minus 36, that is equal to 1 by 18. Similarly, n is equal to dn by d, minus 1 by minus 36, that minus 1 by minus 36 equal to 1 by 36. Now we get the value of m and n. Then now what is our next step? Substitute this value. 1 by x, our substitution is 1 by x is equal to m. That means x is equal to 18. 1 by x is equal to m equal to 1 by 18. That implies x is equal to 18 and 1 by y is equal to n. That is equal to 1 by 36. That implies y equal to 36. We say that work done by one woman in one day is 1 by x. We get the value of x is 1 by 18. That's our solution is the whole work done by one woman requires 18 days, and if the work done by one woman alone, it requires 36 days. That is the solution of this problem. Our given question is two women and 5 men together work a work they require 4 days, and if 3 women and 6 men together work 3 days required to complete that work. Then we change this into 1 day form and change it into a linear form, solve using determinant method, and finally we get the solution that work done by one woman require 18 days. That is, the solution is 1836. The work done by one woman require 18 days and work done by one man require 36 days to complete the specific work. Thank you.